What's up, my fellow traders? Hope you all having an awesome day. A quick one here on nat gas, gold, silver, crude oil, starting with natural gas. So I just finally landed to Dubai, and I'll be uploading videos from here for next 2 weeks. So you might see a difference in timing in uploading. So starting with natural gas, but let me show you what I've said in my last video so we can understand conditions and entries. But for the valid pullback entry, I just want to see a pullback, bullish engulfer, keep on taking longs. We are clearly broken above the highs, and we can still see a price to head higher. I can see a bullish pressure engulfing candle, 382 candle. That is why if we have a pullback, if a bullish engulfer, we can go long. It can still push up from here. Let's see. That is why if we get a pullback, that will be total normal. I don't get panic. Nice one. So as mentioned and as predicted, that price just broke above the previous high, and all I'm looking for a pullback right here followed by pullback entry bullish. Now if you're my student, you know, and if you're my member, if you're following me in the group, then you know that we take these type of entries every now and then, and we recently took one entry that finally hit take profit right here. As you can see, it was bearish entry condition right here that was entered, and that hit my take profit. And I also take all these entries on my real account right here. As you can see, the target has been hit for me right here with this little arrow. This is my exit candle. As I was flying, I couldn't manage this trade, and as you can see, my live account is also connected in case you're wondering if I'm trading on my real account. Now at this point, what to expect? Now exactly the same rules we need to follow. Price nicely formed a pullback entry. I couldn't take this entry, like I said, I was not available, but that was absolutely a valid pullback entry bullish. Now the next step is just a break above this little high right here. As you can see, this wick, once we have broken above this high, and then I want to see a pullback. Price will likely to use this level as an anchor level, and it might push up right after the retest of this level. But if the price gave us a deep pullback, as long as we are above 50 EMA, we are good to go and take our entries on 4-hour time frame. If you're looking at 1-hour time frame, that's totally fine, but look for the exact pattern I've just mentioned. Bullish engulfing pattern must be above 50 EMA. So that's why I'll be looking at simply a pullback entry bullish. I'm expecting another spike out of natural gas, and I'm expecting a price to continue to push higher in this trend. And as you can see, price is nicely trending in a trend and using this as a trend line. Every time the price hit this trend line, it nicely pushes up, and every time the price hit the trend line, it forms a bullish engulfing pattern right here and right here. So as you can see, price hit the trend line multiple times, forms a bullish engulfing. Now there's a chance the price will likely come back to this trend line, forms another candle and condition, price will likely to push up. Ideally, I would like to see another break above, then a pullback, bullish engulfer, must be above 50 EMA, and then keep on taking long. The next trade, my counter trend trade, will be right from this level, which was already mentioned in my last net gas video. Have these zones ready on the charts. Here on NEMIX, price is following the trend line exactly the same. Right here we already have these two touches, and price is nicely pushing up out of trend line. Now if you ask me, that price was below 50 EMA, but yes, it was using this trend line as a support area. But if you have just seen my recent video which I've uploaded yesterday, that was how to trade trend and trend shifts, that video will explain that if it's below 50 EMA, that's pure price action. It has used this level as an anchor level, and with this bullish engulfer, price is pushing higher. So at this point, what to expect for the ideal entry? I want to see a break above this candle, and then a pullback, and then a bullish engulfer, and I'm expecting a price to continue to push up in a trend till we are in this level right here, which I've already mentioned in my last video. In case you missed this video, a level above here on NEMIX is right here. As you can see, the number in blue, from where we can expect a counter trend trade. For now, I'm expecting a price to push up and keep on pushing high. Here on Rwanda, right here, 2.339 goes to 2.441 is an area from where I'll be looking at a possible push down, and entries on smaller time frame but short term only. For now, price pushing up nicely in a trend right here, and my next entry will be a break above this high with a pullback, and then a bullish engulfing candle, and keep on taking longs for till we are in this level, from where we can expect some good pullback before the price will head higher. But this pullback will be enough to take our targets. That is what our goal is. In a trending market, we enter a counter trend trade, from where we can grab some profit before the price likely to continue to push up in a trend. For now, just a pullback entry bullish. We can expect a possible push up, and then a pullback, then a push back up. Not selling as long as we are above these highs and above this trend line and above 50 and 20 EMA. Next up, we have gold. Gold is still ranging sideways. We have no movement for now. What I'm expecting a price to hit this upper level as we are above 50 and 20 EMA. Right here, the number in blue, you can see the upper level of zone. And once the price hit this level, if rejected with a bearish engulfer, that will be a sell signal and price will likely to push down. And from here, if we have a bullish engulfer, in that case, that will be a buy signal, and we can still expect some range movement within this upper level and lower level till we are not broken above or close. Like I mentioned in my last video, until the silver reaches to the major level, right here we can expect some range out of gold as well. Once we are in this level, silver will likely bounce and gold will also bounce and possibly break above this area of value. For now, expect some range and expect the price to hit this level, looking at the fact the price is above 50 and 20 EMA. The zone below is right, as you can see the number in blue, from where we can look for the possible entries on smaller time frame like 1 hour time frame as well. I will look into enter within this range. Silver is also pushing sideways, and as you can see, we are getting bearish candle, not an engulfing candle. As you can see, the price opens below. That is why it is not a valid bearish engulfer. For now, I'll be looking for a sell trade unless we are broken below these lows. Once we are broken below this lows, only then I'll start to look for my sell trade. For now, I'm not looking for any trades for silver unless we are ranging in this area. For now, we can expect a price to range for some time before we see a breakout above, a breakout below. For now, not trading silver, but expect some moves on smaller time frame. As you can see on smaller time frame, we are in a kind of uptrend, so price will likely to break above. Once we are broken above with a pullback, we can expect some push up to this recent anchor level on smaller time frame. For now, expect a range on bigger time frame. Once we have a condition, we are good to go for our trade. For me, I personally would like to see a breakout above or breakout below, and this area for a possible counter trend trade. Or once we are broken above these highs, I'll start to look for my pullback entry bullish. Lastly, we have crude oil. Crude oil is now inside of level of major support. If you look back and see, this level is acted as level of big significance. Right here, this level acted as a level of support and resistance support. So looking at the fact, the price now inside 65.76 goes to 67.88, from where we can expect a possible push up and bounce out of. But I'll be looking at the condition from this level. This level has been adjusted right here, but also sent to my members in the weekly commodity report. But for now, I want to see either a double bottom or a bullish engulfing pattern in this level. Once we have that, we can expect a good bounce, at least a 50 EMA, but I'll use 1 ATR for my initial targets, or 2 ATR if you want to manage your trades, and then exit and look for the break above 50 EMA for the possible continuation towards the upside. For now, I'm expecting a bounce from this level with condition like bullish engulfers or double bottom entry pattern. Once we have that, we're good to go long from this area. That's it for commodities, guys. Hope you're getting value. If yes, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you're new, so that we can all trade together and trade efficiently. Hope you trade green. See you guys in the next one. Till then, take care.